Did you know that you may have lost previous sales opportunities in less than 60 seconds of meeting a potential client? If you've struggled to be short, sweet, and to the point, you're probably guilty of this mistake because you lack a strong and compelling elevator pitch. What's an elevator pitch? Well, imagine you met a VIP client in an elevator. Do you know what words to use? In which order? What tone and body language would work best to grab her attention with a compelling reason to want to meet with you again and learn how you can help her company during these challenging times? The good news is that with the right planning, preparation and practicing of your own pitch, it will become a habit that will differentiate you from other sales professionals. This is what the elevator pitch workout is all about. You will learn to structure your elevator pitch and get coached on delivering it. All this through real virtual video tutorials, live group coaching sessions, and support. To make things even more exciting and practical, you will automatically participate in an elevator pitch contest where the best person will win more than $1,000 in additional sales workouts. This workout will be led by Ramez Helou, the founder and CEO of the Academy for Sales Excellence and a professor of the Sales and Leadership at Holt International Business School. Ramez has trained over 100,000 sales professionals over the last 31 years and are supported by his coaches who speak both English and Arabic. Before you decide to start your journey, imagine being able to convert more opportunities because now you have a clear and concise pitch that grabs your customer's attention in less than 90 words. Now imagine the opposite. Can you afford to continue to do business without your elevator pitch? To take control of your sales success now, subscribe to the Elevator Pitch Workout by visiting the Academy for Sales to register for the course. Seats are limited and will be filled on a first-come, first-served basis. See you on the course.